So after those important topics on expert system, let us move on to backtracking and non-backtracking. So these algorithms are used to develop applications in AI like expert system, then games applications, robotics, etc. So backtracking actually is a brute force depth first search. You might have seen this in your first semester. It is an algorithmic technique and the problem is solved recursively. So the solution is built incrementally. It is based on the previous action that have been performed. They are the increments of the previous action. That's why we are using recursive approach. Whenever it fails to meet some constraints, that path is pruned or it is removed. So we have seen that a problem may be having many solutions and each of these solutions are called as candidates. So whenever we feel that a candidate cannot meet the goal state, we abandon that candidate. So that approach is being followed in backtracking. So let's see an example. Suppose a person wants to travel from here, somewhere from here, and his destination is here. So he used to travel normally from here and through this path he reaches here. But due to this COVID protocols or COVID cases, some of the paths are being blocked based on the containment zones. So these are the junctions in the roads. This is a junction, this is a junction. All the circles with arrows that have been marked are junctions present in the road network or the traffic network. So when a person reaches this junction, he has to take a decision whether he has to go forward or turn left or turn right, as the case may be. So normally what he does is he turns left, then goes straight, then again turns left and reaches his destination. So normally he is following the same route and he goes like this, and when he reaches here he finds a road blockage here. This path is being blocked for traffic. So what he do? He has to turn back and he has to reach the junction which is passed just before. So he has taken the decision that he should not turn right and go straight. That decision has to be reverted. So he turns right from here, he reaches here, then selects this path, and from here he has to decide whether he has to take the right turn or the left turn. Since he is going in this direction, he normally takes this direction and he goes like this. He finds a path here, turns left and comes to this point. He again sees that this portion is also being blocked. He returns here and the last junction that is being visited was this, and from here he has to change his decision to turn left so that he can go forward and then turns left and he can go straight to reach his destination. So this is the brute force method, that is we have to reach the already passed node, or we have to backtrack to the node which is already traversed, and we have to take the other path available. This process is continued until the goal is reached. That is how the backtracking works. So we have already told that it is based on iteration. Still the term iteration and backtracking has some differences. Let us see. how they differ. A recursion is a function call which calls itself until it reaches a base condition. We'll be keeping a base condition to avoid infinite repetition of the function execution. So there will be a base condition which terminates the recursive call. From there, the function execution is carried out in the reverse order in which the functions are being called. So the first function to be completed will be the function with the base case. So this base case is issued or used for avoiding the infinite looping of the recursive function calls. In backtracking, we'll be using this method of recursion to explore all the possibilities until the best result for the problem is obtained. All these things are explained in detail in these two videos. I am providing the link for you to watch these videos. So you have to copy this link, then watch these videos. Both these together will be around 18 minutes of viewing. So you have to view this video also. You can utilize these links for taking down the notes also. That's why I have provided with you with these links. So there is no cutoff time that you should be able to view these videos and write down the notes before 4:30. So that barrier has been removed. You can use these links so that these videos are available for you throughout.